Happy Friday. It is one more minute until we have news coming out. Just kind of go over the analysis right now. You can see that we are in a market maker sell model on the 4-hour / daily. You can see it came up, swept out liquidity, and now it's breaking structure towards the downside. And ideally, long term, I'm thinking it's going to come down to here. We have this trendline liquidity here, so we do have potential of taking this out if we want to continue going to the upside. But as of right now, I have this fair value gap drawn out on the 4-hour time frame. Come down to the hourly time frame. That's a nice area of interest here, and news should be dropping right now. Anyways, so we are actually in this area. It's a 4-hour point of interest for me right now. We've swept liquidity here, and then we've also taken this low out, just turtle soup this right now, so we should be seeing this make a push to the upside. And if that is true, then this could be a market maker sell that just got completed on the 5-minute to going into a market maker buy on the 5-minute here, and that's the ideal kind of situation I'm looking for right now. So if this is the case, right, if that's the case, then we should be looking for this move here. So that's what I'm looking for right now on Euro USD for today. If we don't get anything, then no worries. If we get something, lovely. I'm more than willing to take a trade. As of right now, we're basically going to wait for us to get a shift in market structure, and then we can enter off of an order block, which is like our typical entry. You could also look to enter, like you could come down to the 1 minute, wait for that 1 minute, this inverse fair value gap. And yeah, we'll just go from here and see what price does. So I just learned this concept yesterday from a mentorship group that I'm in, and it's like there's trendline liquidity. So if you think about it, the retail traders would sell on this trendline, right? So it has 1, 2, 3, and then coming up onto 4 taps, right? So there's got to be a lot of orders to be taken here. There's got to be a lot of stop losses here, because a lot of retail traders will be buying here, or sorry, shorting here, placing the stop above here, placing the stop above here. So this will be a low resistant liquidity run on a trend line. And if you think about the retail, we want to trade kind of against that, right? So if that's the case, then we would want to long this, and then we are going to be hunting all these stop losses. All right, I am now tapped in. Stop loss is below this low, as if it is going to do a reversal, it should be a protected low. We have this fair value gap and inverse fair value gap to protect us, so let's see how this goes. All right, guys, we just hit take profit 1. We'll move stop to break even there, and up to our take profit, which I think is exactly what's about to happen. But I do speak too soon, and we are just consolidating. This is where patience comes in. Come on. One tick away. Boom. Take profit to your hip. Boom. We are done for today, guys. I'm out. Calling it a day there. I do think price can go up higher, but take the 1 to 2 and walk away from today. So beautiful call out. Could have had a little bit of a better entry if we would have entered down here a bit more, but beautiful entry. Super happy with how this trade turned out. Super actually happy as well that this new concept I'm kind of throwing in worked out as well. So that's cool. That's really cool. I'm going to back test that over this weekend. But I hope everybody has a great weekend, and we will see you all Monday.